Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Let us eat. My name's Luke.
I'm Destiny. Today we are doing a meal prep for you.
A what?
A meal prep.
A meal prep? Oh my goodness. I love meal prepping. I'm excited to see what we could do differently with our vegan meal preps.
They're just like everybody else's.
Tell us what your meal prep consists of before we get into the video.
Okay, so pretty much what it is just roasted chickpeas that are seasoned with a bunch of herbs, some roasted veggies, lots of veggies, and then some...
Yes, lots of veggies.
And then egg grain of really your choice. I chose some brown rice today, but it could be like couscous. I use quinoa sometimes. It's just really whatever you have on hand. So yeah.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Hey, welcome back.
We're back.
This is a quick and easy meal prep that you guys can do. Just mix it up, try something new, add a little something different. Tell us what you did differently.
Down in the comments.
Down in the comments, yeah, exactly.
It's just really simple. Something really simple. Literally, all you do is bake. Pretty much the most labor-intensive thing is just baking the veggies for 40 minutes.
The most labor-intensive thing is for her to cut the vegetables. We really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please go like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. You guys have a great day.
See you next video.